In this video, we will show you how to customize the data screens on your Venu 2 Plus. Begin by pressing the Start button in the upper right. Then, select the activity profile you would like to customize. For this video, we will customize the Run profile. Next, touch the arrow at the bottom of the screen to access the menu. Then, touch Settings. Next, touch Data Screens. Then, touch the screen you want to customize. Here you can change the layout. Select between 1 and 4 total data fields per page. Tap the screen to select a layout. After you have selected a layout, touch Edit Data Fields. Then, touch the field you would like to change. Select a data field from the list of choices. Press the Back button to go back. Repeat these steps to customize the layout and data fields on any other data screens. Once you're done customizing the profile, you can press the Back button until you get back to the profile page. Then press the Start button to begin your activity. And that's it. You have now customized the data screens on your Venu 2 Plus. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.